Today I'm going to talk about how to use video to connect and engage with your audience. I am absolutely loving that Instagram, Facebook is really putting a push on video and really making it the emphasis to their platform because y'all, video is like the really true way to be authentic and show up as your true self on video so that your ideal audience can connect with you. And I'm going to share with you how to use these video platforms and which ones that you could possibly choose for your coaching business. All right. So if this is your first time seeing my face in your feed, I am Alise Michelle and I am a marketing coach for coaches. And I help coaches just like you market your coaching business the simplest way possible. Yes. And the simple thing and doing it your way. Right? So I'm giving you a great example of doing it my way. Yes, I use the schedule feature in Instagram. I really don't even know what I was thinking trying to schedule it at 12 o'clock. Really, I should have just did it earlier. And I didn't realize that I had some things going on that I needed to take care of, but I did not want to show up. So let's talk about this video. There are a lot of coaches, new coaches who've been out here for a while that are just not embracing video. And I get it. I understand that it can be a little overwhelming. It can be a little scared, right? And it's scary. And you just don't know, like most of us, I'm gonna just be honest. Most of us who come from corporate America, us, Gen X people, we were taught that everything had to be perfect. Perfect. You had to sound perfect. Everything had to be all together. And literally it doesn't. One of the things that I learned about starting my business almost 5 years ago, it might be 6 years really. I learned that I had to start doing things ugly. I just had to do them ugly. Can I move this? I had to do it ugly because if I didn't do it ugly, it was never going to get done. So I just started doing ugly website, ugly coaching offers, just ugly stuff, right? Even my videos were super ugly, but I still did them until I got comfortable showing up like this. Even when no one is on with me, I was just like, hey, this is great practice. And then when people would show up and engage with me, it got better and better and better, right? So I'm just really excited that video is part of this new push with Instagram and Facebook because video is the best way to connect and engage with your audience because they get to see the real you. Y'all know I'm always about like reality TV, what put real video out in the market and saying that's what people want. They just want the real you, no matter how you come. Okay. All right. So let's talk about this. We know live streaming is really a big push with Instagram and as well as Facebook and even LinkedIn is now offered live streaming. I don't know if Twitter, I'm not a Twitter person. So if Twitter has live streaming, that all those platforms are letting you know that live streaming is really, they're going to put the push on it, right? So how do you use live stream in your coaching business? Well, you can do just like me, right? You can share tips. You can share behind the scenes of your business. You can actually put your phone up and record yourself doing like maybe a strategy session with a client who doesn't mind going live. Like you can live stream a lot of things. I think behind the scenes tips, a glimpse of your day is really awesome because again, people want to see that you are a real person. And the more that you can do this and share with people, the more people are going to show up for you. And again, it's not being perfect. It's not like having a whiteboard and you need to have a suit and tie and things on. Nah, just be you and be you at the best, your best way. Hello, Anthony. How you doing? All right. That's live streaming. So if you're not incorporating live stream, think about it. One of the things that I share with my clients and my coaches and my club members is that try to do a live stream at least once a week. I like to call it a show. And if you call it a show, you are going to consistently think of that you need to be showing up like in a show, like a news channel. Like people on the news don't miss, right? They don't just say, oh, I'm not going to do the news today, right? No, they show up at 4 o'clock or 6 o'clock, whatever time the news come on. You too want to set up a time for your show that you can show up, right? I'm coming back doing that as well, doing a show. Oh, before I go on, y'all, let me share this with you. Hey, Anthony. I put a poll in my group yesterday asking them, did they want me to do more video content, podcasting, or more written content? I think that was the other choice. And y'all, everyone voted video. Like everyone. No one chose the other option. So if my client base is looking for me to do video, then you should be doing video as well. That's the type of content that they want. All right. So live streaming. We talked about that. to short video content. Oh my gosh. So if you don't want to do live streaming, short video content is going to be your thing. Short video content that is 60 seconds or less. Now, this short video content, I would say you could contribute it to TikTok, but you guys remember the Vine? Y'all remember the Vine, those little short, like I think 15-second videos? Well, you know, those were really popular, and then the Vine went away, and then everyone was doing long video content, and then TikTok came, right? Or TikTok or Snapchat. I don't know which one came first. That put us on the map for bringing back short video content, 60 seconds or less. You can do reels. You can do, Facebook now has reels. YouTube now has, what they call their shorts, right? You can also do 1-minute video clips. So if I was wanted to repurpose this, I could take this video right now and I can reclip it and clip out my 1 minute clip, 60 seconds or less clip, and use it and repurpose it as one of my videos for my short video content. So short video, if you cannot do live streaming like this, think of short video content. Think of one tip that you can share. Introduce yourself, tell people how you can help them, and say, hey, I got a tip for you today. So you can do a tip a day. You can say, hey, this is, come up with some cute little name for it. And maybe that comes your weekly show content that you do a 30, 60 second tip of the day. Y'all, that's a good idea. So think about short video content. 3 is going to be virtual events. Now, when we went into this full-blown pandemic, we were all at home, and a lot of people were taking their in-person events and putting them on virtual events. Well, people still like virtual events. And I think this is a great way to do what I call the invite only, that you invite people to come and hang out with you on Zoom, on a private YouTube page or something like that, or inside a private group. And then you give them special training, but it's invite only. Like they have to opt in to actually join or get the link to join this virtual event. So virtual events are going to be awesome when you can bring in people to interview, to get people to do guest speaking, and just create a virtual event for just the people that you invited and they actually opted in to be part of it. So don't sleep on that. That's a great opportunity to upsell people into some of your coaching services, to offer a different product. Most of the time, the live streams and the short video content are something like freebies to me, right? These are things that you're sharing and you're really establishing yourself as a brand by using live streaming and short video content. Your virtual events are really going to position you as a coach that people want to hire, right? So that's your opportunity to sell, to pitch, to let them know what your next offer is and let them know what your next step is, okay? So that's number 3. And number 4 way on how to use video to engage with your audience is YouTube. Do not sleep on YouTube. Some of us have been sleeping on YouTube. I slept on YouTube, but I don't know if you guys know, about a year ago, I think a year to this month, I launched my YouTube channel. I relaunched it. Well, it was already there, but I put a little bit more emphasis on it, okay? And I said that I was going to grow my account to about 1,000 subscribers. Y'all, I've done that. I have over 40,000 views on my YouTube channel when I barely only had 200 views, right? And I can say that most people who are following me on Instagram found me on YouTube. I was sleeping on YouTube. I literally was sleeping on YouTube, right? So I put a good year in focus on my YouTube channel. Now I've got a really great, maybe about 4 or 5 videos that are on my YouTube channel that are doing very, very well. They get the most of my views. It's content that I already teach already. And I just put it up on YouTube, right? Nothing fancy. I did it ugly. I did it ugly, but I did it. Okay, so YouTube, I think we're just sleeping on that, right? So those are 4 ways on how you can use video in your coaching business to engage and connect with people. Choose one. Choose one of these platforms. Major in one of these platforms, right? Or mediums, right? Choose if you're going to do a live stream once a week. Choose if you're going to focus on short video content. Choose if you're going to do a virtual event that you're going to invite people to once a month. Or choose that you're going to focus on your YouTube channel. Choose one and major in that one. I spent a good like 6, 9 months or to a year on one of those things. I know. I said something, right? You're saying 6 months at least to a year? Yes. Yes. Okay, but anywho, you can figure out how that's gonna work for you. Once you have majored in it, I definitely want you to at least spend 6 months on it, right? Once you have majored in that one platform or that one type of medium, then you can choose a minor, right? Just like we did in college, if you went to college or if you went to, community college, wherever you went to, you know the difference between majoring in something and choosing a minor, right? So choose a minor, right? Choose a minor subject that you want to focus on, and then choose something, the next thing. Once you have mastered or feel really comfortable with live streaming, then you add short video content, or maybe you go to YouTube, or maybe you do the virtual events. But don't try to do all of these things at one time. Like, it gets overwhelming. You're not going to really get good at it. You're going to get tired. You're going to get overwhelmed, and you're going to be like, this is not even worth it. That's why you want to choose one thing. Hola, Rosa. Hola, hola, hola. Right? So that is how you use video to engage, connect with your audience. Don't sleep on video, y'all, right? Rosa right now is killing it with short video content. Killing it, right? I love live streaming, right? It's just really easy for me to hit the live button and just go, right? Yes, Rosa, it is definitely overwhelming trying to do everything. You don't have to do everything. And my club members know I talk about this. Just choose one thing and get good at one thing. But Rosa is killing it with short video, like killing it. Y'all. So check out Rosa, friend Rosa, find out how she's using these reels and TikToks, right? Rosa, thank you so much. Awesome. All right, guys. So I hope those tips help. Again, I apologize for hopping on early. I know I said I was going to do this at 12 o'clock. Going forward, I'm going to try to do these like at 10 o'clock or around by that time frame. If I have to join in early, then I will join in early because you know what? I can do that. It's my platform. I can do whatever I want to. Hello, Deja. And you can too. Just choose something that works for you. Work it. Get good at that. And then I promise you, you're going to see some results in your coaching business. All right. Thank you, Rosa. You guys have an awesome and blessed day, and I'll be talking to you later. Peace out.